Do you face the most challenging print jobs and need the brightest, consistent colors across all substrates? To communicate expected colors to the customer, you have to create drawdowns, cut them, and glue them on paper. It's manual, time-consuming, and difficult to reproduce. Get rid of inaccurate manual processes with GMG Color Card and bring your color communication to the next level. Simply import your measurement file from ink formulation into the GMG Color Card app. Choose your substrate. Define the number of copies and print. That's it. This super efficient process has proven time savings of up to 90%. And it's reproducible. Reprint anytime, everywhere, and however often you want, with the same results. And guess what? It gets even better. Print color cards with tolerances with just one click. You can now communicate your production tolerances up front without any interaction between the customer and your press room. The GMG Color Card shows exactly how the color will appear on the final product. Become a leader in color and impress your customers with digital color cards powered by GMG. Get your sample kit now. Visit colorcard.gmgcolor.com.